Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingredients: 1/4 cup buttermilk or substitute 1/4 cup of milk plus 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1½ tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. 1/3 cup sugar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/8 teaspoon pepper. 1/2 teaspoon celery seed. The 5th of November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Between the 3 large chain places I have tried, El Pollo Loco, Popeyes, and KFC, my winner would be El Pollo Loco. This. For fast food chain coleslaw, El Pollo Loco is the best. For something different, add pico de gallo and onions from their salsa bar to the coleslaw.
Take our lead.
Why coleslaw becomes watery? The reason for this is because the pectin in the cell walls of the cabbage hold onto the water. But when you add dressing to the coleslaw, the salt in the dressing slowly draws out the water by breaking down the pectin in the cell walls.
Let's help you make your mark.
Between 3 to 5 days. Usually, it's 2 to 3 days, but make sure to check the label. After that period, the salad will gradually become watery and not all that appealing. For homemade coleslaw, it lasts between 3 to 5 days. 28 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 hours. Important note about coleslaw: yes, this recipe takes about 5 minutes, but one of the most important things about coleslaw is letting it sit, so that the dressing can soften the crunch of the cabbage. We give it at least 2 hours. Even better if you can do it the night before. 27 April 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.